Hey everyone, if you're struggling with acne and pimples like I used to, and you're looking to get that clear skin you've always wanted, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing my top products for achieving clear, glowing skin, all while sticking to a budget. Alright, let's not waste time, let's dive in. Alright, step 1, first we need a cleanser. The product I use is the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. This cleanser is perfect for removing dirt and oil, which is the main cause of acne. Using this cleanser won't strip your skin of its natural moisture. It contains ceramides that help restore the skin barrier, making it essential for maintaining healthy skin. You need a good cleanser to start your skincare routine, right? And this one does the job without breaking the bank. If you don't have a cleanser and need one, I have all the products links in the description box below. Alright, step 2, we need a toner. The toner I use is the CosRx Treatment Toner. This toner gently exfoliates your skin, removing dead skin cells that can lead to clogged pores and dullness, which eliminates the acne on your skin. The toner helps target pimples and minimizes pores. Using a toner is crucial for prepping your skin to absorb other products better, so you'll get the most out of your skincare routine. If you don't have this toner, I would recommend this toner because it is fast acting. If you don't have a toner at home and need one, I have the product linked in the description box down below. Moving on. To step 3 now, we have to repair the skin with the CosRx Snail Mucin 96% Power Essence. This essence is packed with nutrients that hydrate and repair your skin from acne scars and dark spots on your face. It promotes healing and improves smooth skin texture, making it essential for anyone dealing with acne scars or uneven skin tone. You need this product to boost your skin's overall health and achieve that coveted glow. By the way, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Drop a comment saying I'm a real one, so I know who's really sticking with me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more skincare tips. Alright, next is the Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. This lightweight moisturizer hydrates without feeling greasy, making it perfect for all skin types. It locks in moisture and keeps your skin feeling soft and supple. A good moisturizer is essential to maintain skin balance, especially after exfoliating, which can strip away moisture. And lastly, we have the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in any skincare routine. This one provides excellent protection from harmful UV rays while nourishing your skin. Regular use of sunscreen helps prevent premature aging and protects your investment in skincare, ensuring you keep that glow for years to come. So there you have it. These products are perfect for achieving that glowing skin without emptying your wallet. Remember, you can find all these products linked in the description box down below for easy access. If you've tried any of these, let me know in the comments how they worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line.